formula for mean or average is shown here. X bar is the symbol for the mean, equals the sum of x over n, where n is the number of items in your data set. So here is a data set of 20 numbers, and we need to find the average. Now, using the simple formula, i.e. this one here, we can just add up all the columns, add those totals together and get the sum of x as 2,727. There are 20 numbers, so we divide this by 20 to get an average of 136.35. Now, a quicker way, when you have an array of numbers, is to use this formula. So you have to change the data to a frequency distribution, and this time the mean is calculated by the sum of fx over the sum of x, or f rather, the frequencies. Now, if you just take a look at this here. To get the frequency, if it's a large array, this is a small enough array, but you need to do a tally sheet, which is shown here. So you literally count the occurrence of each number. And you should always check here that when you've done that, it does add to 20. Okay, otherwise you've miscounted. So, as you can see here, 135 happened 4 times, so 4 times 135 is 540, and so on. So that's where the fx comes in the formula. The frequency when you add it up gives you 20, the same as n, and then when you add up all those multiplied frequencies by the scores, you get 2727, which is a familiar number, and here you see we get the same answer. So you need to be aware of those two formulas, a frequency distribution and the straightforward one, the more simple one. They're basically the same thing. One is just with grouped or a frequency distribution. Okay?